Today is the anniversary with my broken heart. We've been together for a while now. Today is the day that I saw us fall apart. I hope there's someone to make you smile now. And as for me, I'm good. I guess I'm cool. I guess I've been doing alright. And as for me, I'm straight. I guess I'm happy. I guess I've been living my life. But when the truth comes out, hitting at the wrong times, I realized I've been so numb. And when I try to figure out how I feel about this, I don't know where to start from. Can you turn the music on? Ever since we fell apart, my mind is in clouds, and now it's so numb.